Okay, I've got the radio box removed. I've got the stiffeners that weren't doing any good removed. Engine removed. Just going ahead and cleaning up the extra wood out of there, and then we'll get started on putting the secondary deck on. Starting to cut the battery holes. I need both hands. Okay, I got a little bit more done. What I've done is I'm reinforcing the seams where the sponson meets the deck, like I had to do on the other one, which is done by sanded, of course, and then laid fiberglass mat, and then epoxied it down, and doing the same thing over here. If you can see that or not, see where it's epoxy or the fiberglass, and pretty much giving the whole thing a once over sand, just to get it ready for paint. So I think I'm going to paint it. Haven't really finished anything up here more. Still at the stages where there's another shot of that. Yeah, it's a little weird, but I'll sand it all down when I paint it. Yeah, I don't know. It's coming along slowly. I started a new job, so it's taking most of my time. Hate that, but oh well, it's better than unemployment. Okay, it's starting to come together. I got the radio box epoxied on there, and the stiffeners. I hope that's enough. If not, I'll add another one along the side more. But so far everything's looking good. Seems to be a lot stiffer, even though the epoxy hasn't dried yet. So yeah, shouldn't be too while. Be ready to get on the water if the weather cooperates. You're not going to focus on that thermometer, are you? Nope. But anyway, it'll be a couple months. I got time. 13 degrees outside, 34 degrees inside. Ooh. So I got the wood stove going. Yeah. Got a nice little fire going in there. Anyway, that is what it's going to look like with the braces. Now, it still will have some flex this way, which I think it needs, because when I did put the bracing from here to there and stiffen that up so it wouldn't move at all, so it wouldn't have a flex effect when it hit the waves, the whole boat got bouncier. So I think having that little bit of suspension in there is going to be needed, but it has a lot less flex this way now. It won't flex like that. So, which is how the other boat came to its demise. This one kind of flopped down and caught the water and flipped back. So, alright, hoping it's enough. Paint's gonna start going on. Well, not paint, primer first, but yeah, use my Harbor Freight $20 HVLP gun. I'm out of primer. I gotta run to the body shop, or auto supply, auto body supply. Ah. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Got some more primer. Got it all mixed. Ready to start shooting again. Wow, you can really tell after I've sprayed it where all my mistakes are. I don't know if you can tell it in the camera, but I see a lot of mistakes. The SI3G that used to be here, you can see it, it's coming through. I thought I had sanded that to perfection. But anyway, let that dry, sand it down a little bit. Had some imperfections in there, so I had to put body putty. Had holes, I guess, where air had entered the epoxy where I repaired, where I ripped that one piece off. So the epoxy kind of bubbled in there, so when I sanded it anyway. But starting to really take shape. Look good. Hope it performs as good. Now this is without the clear coat on. What do you think of that shit? Alright, the clear coat's starting to go on. I got the bottom done already, and I got it setting up on those pegs. It's, Alright, I got some sagging. When I had it upside down, I did the outside of the sponge, and you can see the sagging. Well, It's a run. I don't know how to deal with that because it's already partially hardened. Probably just leave it alone and sand it, and then sand it with some 2000 and then buff it, probably. But other than that, the color is really kind of popping on it now. It's going to take a couple more coats to smooth it out because of the rough surface, because of the glitter. But I think it looks pretty good. Alright, it's all done, it's all painted. It's not the best job in the world, but why should I put a bunch of time into something that's going to explode when it hits the water? Heh. Okay, there it is. All ready to run. Got it all hooked up. It's all nice and dry. Yeah, I've only got 5 cells on it right now instead of the 14 that's going to eventually be in it. She's all ready to go. All I got to do is wait for spring and some soft water. What do you think of that?
Oh, that's... Hopefully I don't have to dig it out of the drink like I did last year.
I hope not either. So, hopefully a video will be coming real soon. I seen the river was open last week. I don't know about the tributaries and crap, so... Oh, just as a test, these are from the old boat, the one that exploded. I've made holes in there, and I've made holes in there. It looks kind of ugly, but we're thinking about making it a 4-point hydro or 5-point hydro. Take this, screw it down. That way it'll make it a 5-point hydro. And hopefully I can get the angle of the dangle just a little bit different on the deck, and it'll not flip over so easily. Now I gotta edit this shit up. I got like, oh, Jesus, well, you don't know that, but yeah. You'll be waiting a while for a running video though. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Like it too, that helps me out. So, thank you for watching.